Instagram. I was looking through lots of pages for dental clinics, and when I seen Myra, I seen the good work that they do, and I was like, I need to contact them. And I contacted them for long because I couldn't come because of Corona and everything. But finally, I was here in August last year, and they started to do my implants, my canal treatments, and everything. And I couldn't wait for this time to come here to have this beautiful teeth. Hello, I'm Paula. I'm coming from Dublin, and I should stop. Action. Hello, my name is Paula. I'm coming from Dublin. I'm a TikToker and Instagram influencer. Myra on Instagram, and I seen the good work, and I wanted to get my new teeth in Turkey. I compared Myra to the other clinics, and I seen that they do a really good job, so I gave it a chance. Yeah, I see that they are really professional when they work, and I see lots of videos on Instagram as well, and that made me like trust them. And well, I seen the steps that they do and how they work without pain and everything, and that made me feel like I'm safe, I'm in a good hands. Everybody is so friendly, and I love the fact that they picked up me from the airport to the hotel to the clinic every time. I didn't have trouble with it. Every time they're in time, I was a little late, excuse me, but what to do. And I feel like the first time when I entered the clinic, it was everybody just so friendly, and it made me feel like home. I wasn't scared, and I didn't really feel pain, and which is great. So I had to visit. The first visit it was for cleaning, control, and implants, which was a little more than expected, and it wasn't painful. Like, I can tell that I was scared about the implants, but everything was good. And on the second time I came, they fixed the implants outside, and they made this beautiful smile. When I had to choose the color and shape for my veneers in Turkey, they gave me enough time. They showed me the other patients that they had, and I didn't feel no rush. I had enough time to think about it, and it was really good because I made a good decision. I'm confident now. I'm very confident. Before, I couldn't really talk to people because I was embarrassed of my teeth, but now I feel like talking loads and showing my beautiful smile. Not because it's Corona and I will have to wear a mask, but I stop smiling. It's just, oh, very big, because I'm struggling for long now to have my perfect teeth, but finally my dream came true. I'm coming from a cold country, and I needed sun. And when I came to Antalya, I just seen all the beauty around. And you guys brought me around, and I seen loads of things that I didn't see just in the streets, you know, like the ocean and the falls, and really beautiful. I like the fact that they are giving us free consultation, x-ray, and free transport from the hotel to clinic. I love the way that they are talking to me every time on Instagram, WhatsApp. We're keeping in touch, we're like friends now, and it's really nice, I appreciate it. It's nice when I see that Myra Dental Clinic like my picture or video, commenting and everything, and the way I'm doing as well on their pictures. And when I see new teeth, they're, oh my god, they're so nice. One day I shared on my page that my birthday is coming soon, and when I got to the clinic, they surprised me with a cake. I didn't expect that. It was really nice. Guys, believe me, there is no pain at all. They do the anesthetic, which is, I don't know from where they take it, but it's amazing. I didn't feel pain. Everybody, I love you for your work, everything you do. Thank you so much. You changed my life and my smile, and now you make me smile more than I did. Thank you.